everyone, Strange Incident is here and back with some new and crazy footage, so keep watching.
She thought she could make it this time. I can't deal with how cute she is.
Come on. Come on. Oh. Happen the other way. Good girl. Oh, oh, you're so good.
Just look at her reaction when she heard her name. She is always making me laugh. Hairdryers are super scary, and especially when they're turned on. This puppy has serious beef with the doorstop for no reason.
Hope you guys enjoyed what you've seen so far in this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out these junior videos, you might enjoy them as well. Later!